Hi, Steph, the BMW DIY guy. I'm going to do something a little bit different today, something I don't often do. I want to do an unboxing video of the brand new Alpha One speaker upgrades for my F32 from Bimmertech. I could not be more excited. What a cool thing, and they've only just started shipping these speakers, so I thought I'd show you. And I really want to shout out for a wise choice in shipping. I get a lot of parts, I ship a lot of things, and I love when something comes DHL. I just got to be perfectly honest about it. You know, maybe your local driver won't be as good as mine, but my DHL driver is fantastic. So whenever I have a company like Bimmertech say that they're going to ship me something through DHL, I'm just like, yes, because I know it's going to come quickly, it's going to come safely. These speakers came from across the world in only a couple of days, where my local carriers can't seem to get something in a few states here in the United States in a week. So shout out to Bimmertech for shipping really well. They ship safely, they ship securely. Let's get to it. I want to show you the speakers. Okay, so I've cut off all the heavy plastic covering. They were shipped really securely, which is fantastic, and sealed really, really well. Here it is. Here's the very first box of 3. So as we flip this open, magnetic locks on the box. These are definitely the under-seat subs. So super high density foam. This is just like ridiculous high density foam, so you don't have to worry about shipping them all over the world. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. God, I cannot wait to get these in my car. Absolutely beautiful. What a substantial upgrade from even the Harman Kardon system in your car, which are really okay at best. I mean, if you really start looking at good speakers, even the Harman Kardon upgrades from BMW are only okay from the factory. This is a whole different animal. I am really, really impressed. All right, so let's take a look at the rest. So we'll slide that out of the way. I didn't even make it out to my workbench. I wanted to open these so quickly, so here I am. All right, so what do we have here? Yeah, tweeters and mids. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Got the Alpha One logo on them, packed incredibly well. This is just ridiculously high density foam. Just beautiful. So you've got the mids there, got all the cabling that goes with it. You've got the in-dash and indoor tweeters, as you can see. Those are going to look great, sound even better. Yeah, this is absolutely fantastic. All right, so the other box is probably the same, but let's look. As it says on the box, studio quality sound, both based off their appearance and packaging, I would agree. And I haven't even plugged them in yet. Ah, yeah, look at that. Fantastic. So we've got 4 more mids. We've got the shaped tweeters that go in, like for example, in the center of your dash. That's all set up, so just gorgeous. Oh man, this is just amazing. I don't normally do unboxing videos, but considering that Bimmertech only just started shipping these, so this may be one of the few first full sets in the world, I really wanted to show them. The other thing that I think is really important, that really is an important factor as you work with products like this, is honestly, how well are they shipped? How did they ship them? Not only the carrier, but what did they come in? This is some of the best packaging and shipping I've got of any component I've ever got. You know, regardless of performance, interior, whatever happens to be, there's some serious thought that's put into this packaging. So you're going to have components that aren't going to shift, that aren't going to get banged up. If you don't have a good carrier, you don't have to worry about it, because these things are rugged. So I am really, really impressed. Like I said, I don't normally do unboxing videos, but I just couldn't resist. All right, I really wanted this to be just a quick unboxing reveal video. Like I said, I don't normally do these, but I'm super excited for this project. Bimmertech is just amazing, and their product is fantastic. This will be yet another Bimmertech product that I've got in my car, and I cannot wait to get it installed. My next video will be an install and full review. You're going to have to take my word for it on how it sounds. Without really expensive testing equipment, it all comes down to the ear of the listener, right? But you know when you hear the difference in good speakers and good quality sound reproduction. It's like, you know, putting on those cheap $5 earbuds, or putting on really expensive headphone cans that just bring the sound alive. They add depth. Suddenly you're in the room with the sound and the music that you're listening to. I can have that same comparison. I've got the OEM speakers in my F32 right now. They're okay, but they're never going to be better than just okay. I've done other speaker upgrades before, and it can make a world of difference, absolute world of difference. And I cannot wait to have that again in my F32. So thank you to Bimmertech. I'm excited to get this out here, and keep your eyes peeled over the next couple of days for my install and review video. I really appreciate everybody's support. If you like what you've seen or you want notification for the install and review, please click subscribe. You'll get a notification, which is great, and I'll see you on my next video.